Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now I've come on here today because I'm going to open another entry. My scissors are avoiding me. I do have that trouble with stuff, don't I? I am so sorry about that. I'm out in the lounge room because we're in the middle of moving my room and from one room to the other. And this is from Patricia Stubbs. And look at the envelope, isn't it cool? And all these stamps here, sorry about that. Look at that, isn't it nice? Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. And this is her entry. We've got a... No, did she make me a note? No, she didn't send me a note. It's okay, Patricia, don't you worry. Look at this he got. Oh, look what I got. Oh, look at this. Well, oh, isn't this beautiful? Oh dear, I do love that. Oh, look at the birds on the serviettes. Oh, I do love them birds, aren't they nice? Oh, wow. Thank you so much, I do love that. Isn't that beautiful? And here's one with the flower. Oh, look at them birdie flowers. Thank you. Here's another one. Yeah. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? Butterflies. It's a botanical one. Isn't that pretty? Thank you so much. I really do love doing these things with serviettes. I'll have to get onto that, won't I? Oh, look at the chooks. Well, isn't that neat? I do love the chookies too. Oh, they look good. Yeah. Thank you so much for that. It's so kind. And a nice piece of fabric, and it is really beautiful, isn't it? Look at this. Isn't it a gorgeous colour? Oh, thank you so much. That is so lovely. It's got gold bits in it here, and really, it's sort of a Christmassy style, but you could use it other than that too. It could go really good in gypsy style, couldn't it? It would look really nice. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that, Patricia. That is so kind of you to send me that entry, and thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.